6 suitcases are unpacked and we're officially moved from our second jungle home 6 months after moving from the UK to Costa Rica with a baby, 5-year-old and 10-year-old French Bulldog. Now, I've always believed in trusting my intuition and that the right path will always present itself, and this house did exactly that. So I thought I'd take you through our house for the next year. I realise how weird this looks, but someone said this really helps with hormonal acne. Since stopping breastfeeding Bowie, my skin all around the edges has been horrible. But it's nice because it's raining outside, the kids are having a bath on the decking. And you know when you just look at two people, you just think, gosh, you're living a life. You're in a bath on the decking overlooking the ocean with it raining outside. I am so jealous of your childhood. It generally tends to start raining from like 3 o'clock onwards, and it's just the perfect, okay, let's go home, let's get cozy, let's watch a movie together, let's have a bath, and it's really nice. One thing I found I've really struggled with here is living in a holiday destination around people who are on holiday and obviously not working and just doing everything. It's made us be like, oh, we need to be doing, and it's been hard to be like, no, we don't need to be doing, we don't need to miss out, we're not missing out on anything because we're here all the time. We don't have to sunbathe because we are not like having to catch a tan because we're not going anywhere. It's been so interesting. I can't wait to hear what Leon and the kids think of my face. I also did not need to use as much. I think I maybe made too much. Maybe Leon will let me do his. So I washed it off, and this is naked skin. My skin is going bad all around here. Ow! Mosquito. Ow! Like this section, but this, it feels nice. Like, can you see all in here? And it's also weirdly at the back of my neck and stuff. That felt nice. And oats and honey is so easy to do. So I will, I'll let you know if I wake up tomorrow and I'm like, ooh! I've never lived in a holiday destination, and it's come with some lessons. It's very transient, and that can be hard when you're trying to make roots somewhere. Our previous home shared a pool, and after a while, Jax grew sad by the friends she was making always leaving to go home. So we knew we needed to move. What's this?
A penis.
A penis? What's the bit at the end?
A circle, because Daddy has a circle at the bottom of his penis.
Oh. It's a great drawing, babe. Well done. Turtle.
God, I'm good at drawing if you
Is it a turtle?
Snail?
Turtle.
Snail. Snail on table.
ball bag hanging from a tree. It looks like
monkey with long
balls. It looks like a diplodocus has caught its neck in the tree.
It's a monkey with a really hanging.
Oh, I thought it was the opposite way around. I thought it was a diplodocus head stuck in a tree.
Moving is usually such a stress, so it was really strange to realise we barely had any belongings, just a couple of suitcases, a Barbie dream house and a full fridge. I wish spiders didn't freak me out so much, because they're kind of cool. They do kind of freak me out. There he is. Oh my gosh, I can see his eyes. Hi. Keep going, how much do you want?
It's like someone weeing.
Oh, what, weeing? It's like Olaf weeing. That's a
like
beautiful, isn't it? Okay, do some mixing, gorgeous. That's it. Pat it like it's a butterfly. Now it comes. It feels so nice, like a stress ball. So is this the daddy one you said?
Yeah.
Daddy, mummy, Jackson, Bowie?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Bowie is green.
Before I show you our new home, I thought I'd also explain to you our car situation. Meet Bob. Bob is our galloper. He's 28 years old. Bob breaks down a lot. Bob's aircon doesn't work. Bob with a baby, not the best. So then we bought Susie Suzuki. Susie Suzuki is cute, not quite so cute, is reliable though, which is why we trust her. And then we have, if you can see, the quad. Red, the quad, who's the most reliable and the most fun. We're keeping Susie, we're selling Bob. We are renting this one for $1,800 a month plus electricity. So it's going to be about $2,000 a month. The lady that owns this house lives up here. We have our beautiful barn door, which I would definitely recreate. I love a barn door. And this is for our laundry. We have a dryer, which is incredibly useful out here because when it's rainy season, nothing tends to dry. And then we have our washer. And yes, Jax found the jaw of something. We're not sure, we're thinking a deer, and she's taking it to school, hence why her backpack and the jaw is next to each other. The main reason why we chose this house is because of this view. Going into the house through the sliding doors, we can see Leon and Jack's creative table. Leon's doing a 7-day sale for Bob. Jax is drawing beautiful flowers. That's gorgeous, my love.
This is a tree.
This is a tree?
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, over here you've got the kitchen and the living room area, which is so super snuggly. Through here is our room, which is a little bit dark because it only has this one window, but it's actually perfect. It came with this desk, and then Bowie is still sleeping in this travel cot that we got when we first got here. Our clothes are in here. I'm kind of calling this the junk wardrobe because we literally do just throw stuff in here. Sharing a wardrobe with a boy is stressful to my brain. This is Bowie's clothes. Through here is our bathroom. We've got an access door outside. I've got all the toiletries in here. And then this space. I actually really love this bathroom because you've got the jungle garden out the back. We've got a toilet, and then we've got a shower and Bowie's little bath, which I am so glad we brought this over because everybody's been using it. Lots of things have changed since moving out here, and one of those is the products we use. We don't have access to most of the things, so it was really sweet when one of my friends made me a coffee scrub. We now go and get our shampoo and our conditioner from like an organic fill-up store, so I love that my conditioner is now in a Tostitos jar. And then this, oh my gosh, I'm addicted, guys. I'm going to talk about it another time, but Luna Daily, this is their like exfoliator, everywhere exfoliator. Feels amazing, and when I say everywhere, you can use all of their products everywhere.
So
did he poo?
Yeah.
Leon, you've left it on the floor again.
No, I need to come back.
Stephen will eat it.
I've got one pair of hands, Polly.
Oh my gosh, he does this every time he says this, but literally the dog has eaten his poo like 20 times. Okay, out here we have got this little jungle back garden. So these stairs are not safe for anyone. But let me take you up and hopefully don't step into a spider's web. Okay, coming upstairs is this beautiful like yoga deck open space, which is gorgeous, and we can't wait to use it more in the dry season. At the moment, in rainy season, everything does still get wet, so it's pretty much where we just hang our washing. We put up a washing line yesterday so that we could dry some stuff. This monstrosity is Jax's Barbie dream house, the one thing she wanted, and it was her Christmas present that arrived very late over here, and she loves it. To be fair, I've never seen anyone get as excited as she got when this arrived. And we get to enjoy this view. And once it's dry season, we'll definitely put like a hammock and some blankets and rugs up here. These are all of Bowie's toys. Pretty much 90% of them have been kindly gifted from other mums that are not needing them anymore, or from the local supermarket. And I have to say, I really love it. This is Jax's room. We ordered a rug, these little lights, and this bedspread to make it more cozy for her. She has all of her teddies, lots of unicorns, and I'm going to show you guys this. She made this at school, and I hands down think we could totally start selling this. What do you guys think? It's lost the horn. Jax, it's lost the horn. Do you want me to take it to school again so you can fix the horn?
Yeah.
Okay. We got her a dream catcher. She was having some bad dreams. She's got this wardrobe full of her bits and pieces. This was from the local supermarket, and the desk came with the room. And then she's got her own bathroom, which is where the mermaids play.
All of them are your favourite?
I think all of your drawings are.
Yeah.
It's an actual unicorn. I like the paper that she uses at your school.
I talk to them.
Can we talk to your pictures?
Yeah. When I'm at school.
Oh, what, because I'm missing you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Drawing your dream house?
Yeah.
What's this one? Bedroom?
Yeah.
Bathroom?
This one's bedroom.
Oh gosh, how many bedrooms have you got? Bathroom? Bathroom?
Yeah, like myself.
I love your shower. Anyone else's house just a shoe factory? This feels so homey. Like, it doesn't feel like a show home like the other one did. This feels like a home, and we are here for a year. And something exciting has just happened, which I can't wait to fill you all in on. So for now, I hope you love this video. I hope you love our home. I hope to see some of you at my retreats here in Costa Rica. I have one in November and one in March. If you want to come and join me in here in Costa Rica, get your butts clicking the link below. I can't wait to welcome you here just in time because the tractor's coming by. Love you guys. Bye.